Right, welcome back to another video, folks. The weather at last has changed now. It's a little bit better now. And for those of you who didn't see my Butler's Empire channel, we actually moved the Trotter van around into the garden now. So we've got the chassis sitting there, and also Gareth's popped round. He's doing a little service on this lawnmower. What we found wrong with it?
That just needs to go back up there, that spring.
The spring had dislocated.
Yeah, that's what's...
Right, and you're also giving this a service as well, aren't you?
Yeah.
So he's already done the oil in it, he's done the filter, he's done the spark plug check. Did it need a new spark plug?
No.
The plug was fine.
Yeah.
So it's just a general lawnmower service, this one then, as I say, but he has found a problem with the spring, which has come dislocated. So while he's doing that, let's come in the old log cabin. Not been in here for a while, and as I say, it's lovely and dry out today. It has been very moist in here the last few times I've been in here, but still loads to do in here to straighten up. We got some painting. Well, Sharon's been working in here. Look, my missus, she's been painting some old water frames there because we're doing some decoration on our Butler's Empire channel in the main part of the house. So I've got the Trotter van, which I'm determined to try and get this thing back together this year. I've got a little bit of a predicament with it. The parts I bought for it, when I first done this, I wasn't going to refurbish the 600cc engine. I was going to do the 700cc engine. So I started stripping that down, and cut a long story short, I thought, well, I'll keep it original and then I'll restore the 600cc engine. But the stuff I bought for the 700cc engine, things like a electronic ignition system, I think I bought a new distributor and all that lot with it as well. But apparently the 600 engine rotates the other way, anti-clockwise. So I'm not too sure whether that's going to work. If any of you have got a Reliant 700cc, which I think revolves clockwise, and I think the 600 revolves anti-clockwise, the engine, can I still use a 700cc electronic ignition, or do I have to source one for the 600cc engine? That'd be interesting to know of any of you experts out there. I've still got me powder coating oven, which... Eh?
House phone.
What do you say?
House phone's ringing.
The house phone's ringing.
I don't know if it's your carpet man, is it?
No, he's got my mobile number. We're waiting for a carpet bloke to come, folks. I'm not too worried about the house phone ringing. Yeah, my powder coating oven, which I started to strip down and repair a while ago. Where is it? Oh, here we go. I've still got to put this back together now and get that all up and running again. As you can see in the back here, this is the actual engine that I had refurbished. It's got new crank, reground crank in it, new main bearings. That's waiting to be rebuilt. Brand new pistons and rings in there. It's been rebored. That's the 600cc engine. So that's waiting to be rebuilt. Gary's still got this TZR125 engine on the side here, which has been there for quite a long time. But this is where I used to run my Retro Hacks channel, if any of you remember that. And of course, we've still got the mobilette over there. We've got the engine for the RSX 100 there. The RSX 100 frame is under there still. That's been powder coated. New exhaust there. Loads of new parts for that. But I'm going to have to dig out a lot of this stuff for the Trotter van. That's all over there, and also over there, to be refurbished and start to reassembled again once I get the chassis up and running. And I've obviously got the RD here, which again, it's just sitting here. I'm just not going to touch it. I'm going to leave it. It's more of a collector's item than me using it at this moment in time. I'm not really worried about getting this done yet. The main thing is I've got one. I did sell my other RD400 and my two 350 LCs a good few years back, and I did regret it at the time. If I would have known that, what we know now, they command a hell of a lot of money. So, you know, it's just one of those things. But I got that one for a very good price, and I'm going to be keeping hold of this one. So that's my little baby, because it was the RD250D model, or the DX model.
The dog's out the back.
Eh?
Doorbell's chiming.
Oh, is it? Go on in. Off you go. Off you go. The doorbell. It might be the carpet bloke here. The RD250D model was the first big RD I got after I had my Fizzy. Anyway, I'll pause for a minute, folks. I'll come back to you in a minute. We've got the carpet bloke turning up. Right, okay, that's that. Just got this lawnmower on test. Sitting it?
That's it.
Sounds alright, doesn't it?
It's already bubbling. Look, tell it's an Izzy.
How old is this? This is a...
She's
got the date on it?
It has on it. I can't see it.
They're normally on there, aren't they?
It is. I've seen it on there. Well, she's only had it 2 years anyway.
She's had it 2 years. She got it from new.
Yeah, brand new.
And it's already started to bubble here, people. Look.
I know, it's a March 22.
22. She couldn't got it new then.
Yeah, I think it'd been sat in a warehouse for a year or something.
Oh right, yeah. So it was new, but obviously it's not been.
Only had 2 seasons use.
2 seasons use, yeah, and so it's already started to bubble there. And that's the thing with these Honda Izys, they do rust out these decks. I think you can buy new decks for them for about 160 quid, I think, isn't it? Something like that.
Yeah, I think she paid about 500 quid for that.
Yeah, there you go. 500 quid she paid for that, folks. But they are bleating reliable lawnmowers. You saw how that one started up. First time, I know it's been serviced, but it hasn't been used since end of last summer.
Yeah.
Probably September, October sometime maybe. And we noticed that she did leave the fuel tap was still on, so normally these are renowned for flooding out and grotting up the carb, especially with that E10 fuel now, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
So there you go, that's another little job, first one to be done. In fact, we've not even done our own first cut yet. It's still a bit wet, the soil out here basically, and it's not ready, but at least I got this cut last year. Normally I'll leave it to go too long, but this time we're okay. It's quite low still, sort of thing, you know. Right, okay then folks, just a little quick fast blast one, just to let you know we are still about, and hopefully when we get our house straight, we've done a lot of decorating indoors, and a lot of things to do out on the front drive still. I've got a review coming up very shortly on this channel, should be within the next week, so for an e-bike, so do keep your eyes out for that one. And if you do like our videos, do give it a like and subscribe, and don't forget, we've not been uploading recently, but we've got literally hundreds of videos on this channel: car repairs, bike repairs, lawnmower repairs, restorations, all that sort of stuff. If that's your sort of bag, have a little look at one of the playlists there, and I'm sure it'll give you hours of pleasure. Anyway, just a quick one, just to let you know we're still about. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.